See this trending watermark. Let's see how to create trending watermark. First, you have to choose black background. And then enter text, which you have to use in watermark. Use font would you like to use? Just select the font. Click on Style and go to Glow. Select the right one. Intensity and range should be 1. Then take a screenshot for image format. Go to New Project. Select a video or clip on which watermark we'll use. And then click on Overlay, select your watermark image. Go in Splice and choose Dodge Blend. Its opacity should be near 80. Adjust your watermark according to your clip. Your watermark is ready now.